Alright. Hello internet. Hello YouTube. Hello everything. Today we are going for an adventure. Hooray! So basically hari ini kita ke somewhere that needs 3 hours driving time to reach the destination, to reach something like that. And yeah, it's gonna be, you know, full of adventures, full of, I don't know. Kita pernah ke tempat yang orang mau tuju beberapa kali, but the feeling of how do you say, the feeling of I don't know how to say it in English, but in Japanese it says waku waku. Waku waku suru ze, kore wa jitsu ni waku waku desu. Ini di Indonesia itu mendebarkan semaring, ada apa ini, mau ngapain, hayo mau bah, something like that. Jadi ya, you know, safe zone is yeah, well, safe, but safe it's like, well, kind of boring. And I'll slightly almost kiss that car. Totally my fault. I drove out, and yeah, that's my fault. I admit that. Anyway, zona nyaman yang kita rasa di rumah itu ya sangat nyaman, basically, karena kita olahraga di rumah, kita makan, kita rasa enak di rumah. Makan, orang baru beli telur, kita beli 1 baki, dan tapi adik beli me and my sister bought a whole mungkin tak ada baki ya, tak ada kata baki di bahasa Inggris, maybe a whole bucket of eggs containing of 30 eggs. And because my mom doesn't know that we bought a whole bucket of eggs, she bought a bucket of eggs. So at home we had 50 eggs, but karena tadi makan jadi tinggal we had 60 pieces of eggs, but karena tadi makan jadi maybe tadi 52, 51, around that. Yang pasti tak kurang. And that's what I meant by kita suka makanan di rumah, karena telur itu selain, besides its cheapness, kemudahan yang orang dapat dari telur itu bergizi ya. Terus yang paling bikin kita senang, eggs contains protein. Protein to get your gains. Jadi itu dong. That's what I meant by eating happy. I didn't mean like eating fancy, but I'm eating happy. You know what I'm saying? Kalau mau hitung, maybe my meal per for every oh shit, traffic jam, fuck you traffic jam. And kalau mau total, maybe kita kalau berapa ya? Kalau oh shit, salah tadi dia. Kalau tiga telur, kalau dibulatkan ke atas jadi 3,000 rupiah. In dollars, that's like how many cents per each egg? So let's just per meal for like 3 eggs, the sauce, and the other extras maybe at much is $1 atau 15 sampai 17.000 kalau dirupiahkan. But in dollars boleh $1. Yeah, not more. Come on fast. Ya itu per. Jadi kalau satu hari 50 ribu lah, 50 ribu rupiah kalau dirupiahkan. Kalau dolar maybe like $3 per day. And for me that's enough dari segi karbohidrat, protein. Sometimes, not every time, but sometimes, some good times ada what do you call it? Fiber. What's fiber? Serat, ada serat. Jadi sometimes ada buah, fruits and veggies. Who doesn't love them? Who doesn't like them? I definitely do. Definitely love fruits, veggies, of course. And jadi menurut kita itu makan 50.000 per hari itu ya kalau buat sendiri di rumah ya, kalau you have the frying pan, you have the gas, you just buy the material, for example you just buy the eggs, you already have the ketchup, sauce, mustard, anything, you already have that. Kalau mau beli di luar, for example, you don't cook yourself at home, maybe for me 20,000 is good. It's basically the normal price for chicken. Chicken contains lots of protein, and dalam satu paket ayam lalapan misalnya, so dapat protein, so dapat fiber, serat, so dapat juga karbohidrat. Kalau yang di dekat tepi rumah itu ya bukan dekat, di baku muka rumah kita itu 20,000, really in good. 20.000 itu sudah dapat protein, karbohidrat dengan apa yang tadi? Fiber. Okay, that's enough for food. Let's talk about the exciting things, the trip. Tondano ke Motoling lewat Tomohon, and nggak 3 jam juga sih, maybe 2.5 hours if drive quite fast. Ya, self-comparing, make comparisons with others, I think how I drive is safe to say pretty slow. Not fast, not slow, but yeah, something like that. Not fast, not slow. But compared to my friends, they drive fast. I know it, I knew it because I experienced that, you know, been at their cars, how they drive. Di auto dan di motor basically. Jadi perjalanan ini makanya kita bilang pertama 3 jam, karena ya kita bawa basically slow. Apa ya, begitu banyak yang bisa dipetik dari satu perjalanan. Misalnya ketenangan yang orang boleh dapat pas lihat hijau-hijau ini, because colors can apa ya, what's the word I'm searching, colors can set your mood for the day. Misalnya warna merah itu bisa jadi warna lebih lapar, makanya KFC, McDonald, Wendy's and anything, mereka orang pakai ya warna merah for their logos. And yeah, that's just one of the examples, but you got my point. Colors can set your mood for the day, not for the day, for some few times. And apa lagi? Padahal tadi waktu baru mau kemarin kita sudah pikir, gonna be a long trip, 2 full hours to like 3 hours. I have tons to say, so many things to say. But now, setelah orang to the actual trip, the actual moment, I basically like, I don't really know what to say, you know, just driving here, seeing the view is pretty relaxing. I don't get out of the house often, but kita sebenarnya nggak terlalu suka keluar, cuman nggak terlalu suka juga keluar. Karena menurut kita ada yang kita perlu di rumah. Kita ada tempat olahraga, makanan memadai, makanan yang kita rasa memadai, ada di rumah. Jadi I see no reasons for me to go out. I can work out at home. For push days I can do ya sama dengan kemarin, literally kemarin, you can see the video over cari YouTube saja tuh, masuk ke channel terus lihat yang day 4 pushing, basically Kalau mau push cuma ya push up. Kalau mau pull ada restock bar, ada tiang pull up. Itu kita pe aset yang kita senang sekali ada decided to make. Kita juga ada beberapa alat olahraga lain. Kita juga buat DIY workout equipment yang kita rasa cost me nothing but work. So I just gather the ingredients at home. I have spent none money of the DIY. It's all sudah ada, sudah tinggal cari saja, tinggal rakit. Cara buat sled. So saat sled itu dipakai saat when you walk backwards. Jadi kalau mau jalan mundur, biasanya ada atlet-atlet orang pakai sled, but I have no money to buy the actual equipment, so but I have weights and I have creativity. Jadi kita buat sendiri di rumah. But weights bukan berarti barbell, dumbbell, no. Ya, yes, kita ada barbell, dumbbell nggak ada. Ada mah cuma dibikin sendiri. DIY lagi dumbbell, cuma ada pakai semen. And what I meant by weights is weight, some things yang ada di rumah, barang yang ada di rumah that is heavy. To be more detail, yang kita maksud heavy itu karung apa ya? Karung semen atau karung apa? So it's written clean, berat bersih 50 kilo, clean weight 50 kilos. Oh, kita waktu lihat itu wow, senang sekali, ini bisa dipakai sebagai berat. Ini itu 50 kilo, 50 kilo kita rasa berat yang sangat ideal untuk kita. Karena ya itu pertama gratis. First of all, it's free. Kedua, itu DP benda itu easy to what fusion easy to combine with things. Jadi pokoknya intinya itu benda itu beratnya ideal menurut kita, terus itu mudah untuk dibuat sled ya, basically itu. Jadi alat lain yang kita punya itu ada app roller, ada tuh something very stupid I decided to buy that apa namanya itu ya. So it's basically bulat, balancing thing. Itu ada juga apa ya? Yang kita cuma ada juga dumbbells yang sangat-sangat mahal menurut kita. Dumbbells. What else? Apa lagi ya? Apa lagi yang kita punya? Ada untuk olahraga, kita ada equipment yang menurut kita memadai. Terus dari itu kan olahraga, workout is basically, if I am not mistaken, 40% workout, 60% nutrition. Jadi DP workout, DP akses untuk workout, akses kita ada, terus DP nutrisi juga kita ada. Ya, nutrisi utama olahraga itu ya protein. Dan protein itu kita sudah konsumsi, like kalau kita di rumah, setiap kali, every time it's eating time, there's always protein includes. That is a must. Terus rasa kita so jadi gitu untuk some period of good time. Jadi kita rasa mungkin badan. But of course, tidak ada yang cuma satu tuh di dunia ini. Ada juga yang protein itu bagus for badan, mari itu bukan semua for badan. Tapi akses yang paling mudah orang dapat itu protein itu telur. Protein. Ya intinya my diet, kayak bahasa diet. Oke. Ini apa namanya? Peralatan olahraga sudah dibahas. Oke, dan period there. Sekarang apa? Oh ya, diet. The actual diet. Oh, be careful, ma. Stupid ass nigga. Alright. Aduh, daripada mas di jalan rame hari. Aduh, please go right. Ke kanan lah. Where you going? Kanan. Yes, we did it, hooray. Oke, jadi ke diet. Kita diet itu bukan, sering kita dengar orang-orang bilang, diet, you're on a diet. No, we are all on a diet. Diet is not reducing food, it's what food you eat. Nah, punya something like that. Jadi masuk di diet. My diet is not the best diet, of course, but I don't consume stupid things. I don't consume snack yang mudah didapat, terus yang ada di mana-mana. Kalau di sini ada gorengan, terus snack gula, snack yang harga 1.000, 2.000, 5.000, 3.000, 10.000, 6.000. Biasanya makanan murah, terus DP gizi, DP nutrisi very little, itu yang ya fattening, menggemukkan. But don't confuse that with oh shit, holy shit, we definitely need to pass this bad boy. Tuh umur Otto tadi itu sama dengan kita pe oma opa dua opa dari setem tambah DP umur tuh Otto tadi no. Holy shit, there's no door. Yang tadi apa itu, Otto atau Free Fire? What? There's no doors. Anyway, kembali ke diet. Jadi diet itu kita diet itu, my diet is not the best, but I can, what's with this road? I can like proudly say my diet is not the best. I don't consume too much sugar. Wait, I'll retract that sentence. I do consume much sugar, but not from funny drinks or funny food. Pemasok utama kita penggunaan gula yang bisa dibilang banyak itu susu coklat. Jadi satu saset susu Denkau itu ada 19. There's a, oh shit, be careful. There's a whopping 19 grams of sugar. Crazy. Which is equivalent to one bottle equivalent to satu botol Coca-Cola, Sprite, Fanta. Tapi, but what you get from that two very different drinks is the nutrition. Both got heavily amount of sugar. 19 grams is no joke. Tapi di susu itu kita dapat dengar, I'm not a milk worshipper, but I do love milk, especially the chocolate ones. Oh, mamma mia. Siapapun yang memilih untuk mencoba memeras sapi berwarna coklat terus dapat susu warna coklat, oh, muah. Namamu bisa diukir dalam sejarah sebagai salah satu orang paling berpengaruh di zaman Industrial Revolution 3.0 and 4.0. Jadi balik ke susu. Dari susu dengan misalnya Coca-Cola, itu dari gizi yang dapat itu sangat berbeda jauh. Aduh, kok ada ini di jalan sini? Alright, we pass it. Yeah. Di Cars ada yang di Cars 1 itu ada Lightning McQueen deng meter dorong depi ladang. Kung ada itu sapi-sapi itu oto. Mari di Cars, di film Cars itu dorong jadi sapi. Nah, ada itu oto itu dorong da dusu. And that's the type of car that I meant. A cow car. Cow car. Oh shit. Sound like that. Oke, kembali ke ya susu dengan Coca-Cola, perbandingannya jelas ya. Jelas DP nutrisi susu lebih bagus. Jelas dari itu minuman susu lebih bagus, tapi dari sisi kesegaran yang orang dapat itu you're doing 20 on more than 20 kilometer per hour. Hit the gas. Yo, come on man. Right, I passed the dude. Anyway, ya kalau kita juga ya kita ini boleh menjudge orang yang beli Coca-Cola, Sprite, Fanta karena ya kita juga konsumsi itu. Mari dipilih udah kita nyandak konsumsi sesering orang-orang ini karena entah mau bilang apa, mari kita ndak sering. What else to talk about? Orang sobat cerita. We talk about. Can I pass this dude here? No. Boleh sih mar. Mayo ide wae. Kesel. Aduh. Yeah, well, we're not basically great rush, so yeah, why not? Hey, can I pass him here? Yo. Can I pass you here? what else to talk about? We still have, nggak tahu juga masih berapa lama di jalan, karena kita basically kita tidak tahu ini di mana, cuma tahu Tondano, Tomohon, Motoling. Tapi mungkin ini masih sekitaran 2 jam lah, around 2 hours awak. And what else to talk about? Oh, I'm eager to pass this dude. Ya gitu juga sih, nggak terlalu cepat-cepat nih. I'm not eager actually to pass this dude because ini kita pay comfortable speed, which is around 40 to 50 mile, no, 40 to 50 kilometers per hour, and dude's running 40 on flat. So ya kita I see no reason to pass the dude. Okay. Oh yes. Today I worked out, but kita lupa rekam, because that's literally the first thing I did in the dan nggak literally the first thing, kita bersihkan dulu, minum air, play with my dogs, then the actual workouts. But kita juga udah olahraga cuma pull up 8 kali 5, that's add up to 40, and yeah, basically cuma olahraga itu. I didn't do anything else, so it's just 8 times 5. Rest in between session is 3 minutes, and so olahraga tadi cuma berapa? Setengah jam, like 30 minutes ish, nggak lama. Oh yes, kita kepikiran something. Wow, weather here be wild, so dark. I should have used the road. Oh yeah, kita kepikiran something kalau speaking about working out. Kapan ya kita ada di sini? When did I hear someone said something about, oh, working out is hard, you gotta do this, you gotta prepare this, you must go to the gym, you must eat this, you mustn't do this. Ya, kalau kita juga tahu olahraga begitu, kita nak mau olahraga karena ya so terbebani dengan begitu banyak yes and no's. Jadi ya kita juga kalau baru mulai persiapannya begini, wah kita juga ribet ini, ribet ini, begitu banyak ini mau persiapan. Kita ada waktu kalau setiap kali olahraga mesti begini begini. Juga kalau baru pertama nggak mau. Jadi yang kita mau bilang di sini itu olahraga itu jalan saja olahraga. Just walking is basically workout. Cardio, but still a workout. Going up the stairs, it's a workout. Lifting things, it's a workout. Jadi workout itu nggak harus beban yang anak angkat, itu nggak harus beban gym. Of course. beban apapun yang anak angkat itu pasti napi otot mau tercabik-cabik, baru dengan makanan, dengan the right fuel, dia pasti mau tumbuh. Jadi kalau mau pikir olahraga, you don't first to start working out, you don't need to go gym. You don't need to buy all of the clothes, expensive clothes. You don't need to buy accessories, anything you wear. You don't need to buy. Cuma perlu pertama itu tanah, lantai. You just need the floor. To do what? To do push-ups, to do planks, squats, lunges. Ada itu saja, decent workout. Kalau mau komplain kalau mau fokus on bicep, setahu kita nggak pernah coba sih, jadi kita nggak bisa stand kuat. Nah ini kan ada variasi push up. There's a push up variation which can hit your bicep. Jadi so you I have no idea how you place your hand placement, like what, like how, but definitely ada. Mari kita setahu kita itu ada. Jadi kalau mau protes, tapi kan kalau cuma push up doang nggak kena bicep. Siapa bilang? Lebih soe lagi kalau ada yang bilang push up, olahraga push up nggak kena bahu, tak lempar dengan kursi teh ngana. Masa push up nggak kena bahu, sialan. Jingkang teh bahu. Pike push up, elevated pike push up, pseudo push up, dan variasi-variasi lain yang kita nggak tahu. Itu semua bahu, majorly, is that a word? Itu kalau push up itu tergantung DP kedetailan gayanya yang bodo amat bahasa Indonesia. Yang moser molati itu menjadi beda-beda tergantung DP gaya yang sedikit lebih detail. Jadi misalnya ya tadi yang kita bilang itu pike push up itu ya bahu. Kalau push up biasa itu itu dada atau tricep, itu enggak tahu juga. Terus ada juga diamond. Kalau diamond itu tricep. Terus ada opak di depan, bawa motor sedikit pelang, dibawa tapi kecepatan biasa, terus kita mau lewat sekarang. Grandpa. Oke. Jadi sekian kalau tapi kalau push up kita tidak bisa berkata banyak soal mau dapat DP back belakang, karena setahu kita kalau push up itu memang cuma bagian depan, dada, abs dengan tangan, bicep, tricep, shoulder itu bagian depan serta tangan itu kena semua. Tapi kalau belakang kita, kalau dips mungkin dapat belakang sedikit, tapi kalau cuma push up kita I don't know that much. Okay, continue. dengan modalkan tanah, with the capital of gravity and your floor, besides what I talk about push-ups, there's for legs ada jogging and no, the most basic, walk. You can walk for just 15 to 20 minutes. It's a good cardio. It really is a good cardio. 15 to 20 minutes of walking. Oke, itu pertama, itu yang paling dasar. Jalan. Terus ya, yang paling banyak orang tahu lari. Baru squats. Baru mungkin masuk di lunges atau apa namanya? Oh ya, untuk menggambarkan saja, buat penggambaran, artis All-Star NBA Ja Morant, the one workout that made him so athletic, make him looks like he got springs on bro's legs, is jadi papanya beli ban. Bro's father bought him a tire, and then bro's father told bro you must jump on this tire for X amount of reps, and he did, and now he is one of the most athletic freaks of nature in the NBA. Modalnya, kapitalnya cuma tanah, gravitasi, dengan ban. Untuk menggambarkan seberapa murah bisa have a decent workout, itu ya begitu. Jadi tidak perlu, pertama, olahraga itu tidak perlu uang banyak. Ya perlu uang, pasti saja perlu uang. Everything basically, literally everything in this world needs money. Olahraga juga termasuk perlu uang. Mungkin DP actual workout nggak perlu uang, karena sama yang tadi yang kita bilang tadi itu, selain yang Ja Morant itu pun beli tire, beli ban itu pun, selain itu semua free. Yang kita bermaksud gonna cost you a few bucks is the meal, the nutrition. Mungkin olahraga cuma perlu lantai, gravitasi, terus ya YouTube for lihat gaya-gaya. Mau upper workout atau lower body workout, itu kan now we have technologies, now we have internet. Use that damn thing. Don't just use that for TikTok, scrolling stupid things mindlessly online, watching stupid things, hearing stupid things, doing stupid trends. Use your internet access wisely, my friends, because as your grandpa, grandparents, grandma says, it's right, it's your phone as the problem. You are the one that's searching for the problem. What did I meant by you searching the problem is that you have an access, you have the you have the technology, you have the device to search for commonly good on the world. But if you decide to just see boobs and asses, yo, stupid on you. But you can also choose to make it a better decision instead of just scrolling through what's the word I was thinking about? Yeah, basically everything that I said earlier. I'm not encouraging you to do some specific things, but the contents that I see is memes. That also has the downfall. Imagine memes, something to laugh for. Entertainment has its downfall because Instagram's reels, the comments sometimes can make you says, oh my god, astaga, ini kok begini sekali dia pe komen, kok reelsnya begini sekali dark, reelsnya, komennya begitu di luar nurul, di luar nalar. Tapi ya itu tapi kita percaya di setiap hal itu bagaikan koin, ada DP baik, ada juga DP buruk, bagaikan yin dan yang, ya kan? Di yin dan yang itu ada hitam di atas putih, vice versa. Ada juga putih di dalam ada juga putih, ada hitam di dalam putih, terus ada juga putih di dalam hitam. That's just life. In good there's bad, in bad there's good. Sama juga dengan basically anything. Sama yang kita tadi, memes. What can mere memes do harm? Ya ternyata bisa. Dengan X amount of dark humor knowledge, and you can make one hell of a mind blowing reels or comments that would make people go, what the fuck, kok bisa imajinasi orang segelap ini. Tapi itu salah satu contohnya. Jadi dari yang kita rasa bagus, ya basically dari memes dari memes di Instagram I'm having so much good laughter. Shit's funny, really funny. Oh, really funny. I love my reel so much. You know, you gotta love things, people as a whole. You can't just be this and not expect this to cure. Just like Andrew Tate says, you can be the most influential man on earth, you can be the most searched Google on earth and expect nothing to happen. You know, you're against the Matrix. This and this and this and that and this. Aikido. Just kidding. What else? So, let's talk about. Kita bicara apa dari tadi? Olahraga, oke. Diet, oke. What else should we talk about? Ya karena kita ini basically kita nggak mau terlalu keluar konteks. Makanya kita started this vlogging itu basically mau documenting kita punya fitness trip, fitness journey, ya sampai kita reach my ideal body. Kita I want me to be as athletic, the most athletic human beings. Yeah. Itu juga sudah kita kuat sampai badan, otot-otot praktikal, jadi bisa dipakai, punya otot untuk memudahkan dan membolehkan. Jadi karena kita ada otot, kita boleh angkat ini sampai kita boleh bekerja begini. So, for the future, I work out for the future, of course. Every time I work out, I live in the future. Same as reading, same as learning. Every time maybe not reading. Every time we learn about anything, basically. And shit, for sure, Matt, for sure. You so big, God. Yeah. Every time we hold up, alright. Every time we learn and every time we work out, we live in the future. Karena kenapa? Ya cari tahu sendiri saja. Setiap kali torang belajar dan setiap kali torang olahraga itu, torang hidup di masa depan. Hah? Kok bisa hidup di masa depan? Emang boleh? Ya bisa lah. Hah? Gimana olahraga sama belajar hidup di masa depan? Ya enggak tahu. Cari tahu aja sendiri. Itu prinsip yang kita baru pegang karena kita baru dapat. Bagus itu kata-kata. Olahraga dengan belajar itu dengan berolahraga dengan belajar kita bisa hidup di masa depan. Oh, bagus sekali itu kata-kata. Itu prinsip yang kita pegang semenjak 5 menit lalu. Karena kita baru 5 menit lalu pada HP, bagus itu prinsip. Dikarenakan kita baru dapat itu 5 menit lalu. Yes, itu kita berprinsip tertambah dari ada deh prinsip gue kok mau dibagiin. Anjay, cari prinsip lo sendiri. Oh, kita mau lewat dia. Boleh enggak, Kang? Anjing mbak belok deh, Jom. Jadi kita sudah di mana nih? Tareran. Kita I'm at Tareran. The clock showing it's 3:10 and recording almost an hour. Holy shit, berapa mega ini? Jadi Tareran 3:10. Mau sampai Motoling berapa lama? Nantikan saja. Kita juga nggak tahu sih. Setahu kita dari Tondano ke Motoling itu 3 jam. Jadi kalau kita berangkat sebelum jam 2, seharusnya kita sampai sebelum jam 5. Dan ini sejam 3. Jadi basically kita masih ada sekitaran 1 jaman lagi di jalan. Ya iya sih, karena kita belum sampai I haven't reached apa ujung tumpaan Amurang. I haven't reached Amurang, and from Amurang to Motoling roughly an hour. So yeah, feels about right. So what else to talk about? Alasan kita mulai vlogging sudah alasan ya sudah sih tadi. Yo, I'm stuck. I'm behinding. 2 berapa ini? 2, 4, 6, 8 4 yes 4 tire 4 tires of vehicle truck, and I can pass the dude because the jalan here is babok but belok, and I'm having a hard time finding the right straight line to pass him, and every time it's straight line, bros hit the gas, fuck you. Jadi ya gitu juga kan masalah sih di kecepatan begini, hemat bensin. Ini kan netral, free. Cuman tahu saya habis chassis. Saya habis apa nih? Ini cuma tindis rem. Jadi kita nggak masalah, mau cepat, mau pelan, yang penting jangan terlalu pelan. No, come on man, you don't do below 20 kilometers, right? Of course not. Dia lari berapa ini? 40. And I'm happy for that. But tadi wah dia larinya pelan banget. Ya faktor naik gunung juga sih, tapi still slow. Jadi oh ya, let's talk about game. Nah, just kidding aja nih. Let's talk about anime. I've been someone who's watching anime for since middle school. No. What the fuck is middle school? I've been someone who's watching anime since junior high school. Jadi animes which I already watch. Number 1 definitely Naruto. Kage Bunshin no Jutsu. Naruto, Shinchan anime enggak ya? Yeah, maybe anime perhaps. Kenapa kita nggak rasa so passionate about anime? Oke, nggak jadi bercerita soal anime. Let's just talk about fitness atau workout ya. Let's just talk about workout. Kita whoa, careful bro. Rata-rata pengendara motor itu stres semua ya. Di bok patah. Bukan bok patah, maksudnya bok in a bok in a turn where you can't literally see the front. He decided to slip him. Like, yo, what kind of psycho are you? Jadi, okay, iklan gua tadi iklan. So ini oh ya, kita olahraga sejak kita olahraga. I've been working out since so long. I'm 21, so I think makes me 5-6 years of working out, and dari pertama kita olahraga sampai sekarang, the whole 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, the whole 72 months I've been working out. There's only 2 months I've been I've been at the gym. Jadi the workout, the gaya olahraga yang kita pakai dari dulu sampai sekarang itu ya cuma itu that and repeat. Ya, cuma itu saja. Ayo, alasan kita cuma 2 bulan di gym because first I have no money. Ya pada saat kita pay membership habis, kita nggak ada duit, jadi ya nggak sih terus. Mari kita nggak masalah juga sih baju matunya, kita tetap off after gym kita olahraga. Jadi kita olahraga nggak terpaku di gym, just like what I told you before. And oh yeah, the second factor is kita nggak tahu kayak di minggu kedua berjalan minggu ketiga di gym, I somehow feel bored. Both times, been at gym 2 times, and the 2 going 3 weeks, I feel like bored and don't really want to continue. But the first factor is still I have no money, because every time, my membership is almost out of date, and it extended. I have no money. Well, what can I do? Yeah, we'll say bye-bye gym. That's the first thing that comes in mind. But the second is point of view, entering week 3. Kind of bored. I'm bored. I don't want to go to the gym, but I put so much money there. That's why I gotta go to the gym and go to the gym so that I don't take a loss from my money, which I consciously decided to invest there. Investasi bodong 1 bulan. Nah, just kidding. I didn't mean to say going to the gym itu juga sih berkorelasi nggak sejauh itu, Mar. Ya mungkin kayak ada kayak gitu. So maybe one day when I'm already famous and people bitching me up dari kita konten yang selama berapa ini? Wow, shit, 1 jam lebih. Orang cuma potong jadi beberapa detik. Orang pakai formu serang pe kita. When I'm already famous. Fuck no. Makanya. Yo. Aduh, oma opa romantisnya berjalan dua-dua di utang. Literally walking though. Now I'm kinda eager to pass. Oh, where's my face? Alright, now I'm kinda eager to pass this dude. Dude's been driving 30. Oh shit, hold. Dude's driving 30 kilometers per hour. Dude's a big truck, but still. Kita nggak tahu hafal di jalan, jadi kita nggak tahu mau cepat. Alright, we passed the dude. So long, sucker. Alright. Oke. Ya basically itu orang lewat tunggu apa Marta orang juga enggak. Juga I'm not someone who's going to hit the gas so fast, but I am going slightly faster than the dude behind me. But yeah, that's not what matters is that we reach our destination safely. Isn't that right? Starting to rain. Oh yes. After this, and I'm at my way home. It's gonna be dark. I'm gonna be alone. Merekam juga kita. I downloaded. Kita persiapan download video offline supaya sebentar pulang kita ada something to occupy my mind instead of my mind itself occupying itself, which can drive me insane. So instead kita sudah download beberapa video yang kita rasa menarik untuk kita dengar-dengar. Ya maunya sih putar lagu, cuma lagu juga terkadang buat kita bosan. But kita pernah, I read one, I don't know if this a fact or not, based on Instagram or YouTube, so I don't really know if it's valid or not, but the information that I get in which about music is you need how much song? You need like 7 or 8 songs so that your brain can, I don't know, something, but the point I get, the main essence that I got from that information is that on a daily basis you need to hear song 7 to 8 times. 7 to 8. You need to hear 7 to 8 songs. And yang mudah tuh enggak boleh benar ya. Again, I don't know if it's valid or not. Nggak tahu itu apa, nggak tahu itu informasi betul atau nyanda, tapi ya mungkin DP real meaning behind it itu supaya orang rasa less stress atau rasa bisa relieve their stress from hearing music. Ya kalau ada yang orang begitu, okay, you're lucky, you save your money from going to the psychiatrist, and that's good for you. If hearing music is reducing and relieving you from stress and on stress and from stress, something like that, yeah, well, great for you though. But if you're not, why don't you try another genre of song, something like that. Okay, enough with the song. Let's just talk about the trip. Oh yes, di perjalanan ini kita pernah Google waktu pertama kali mau datang Mutuling, kita Google terus ya so I try to prepare, you know. Jadi kita coba Google, wow, durian. Jadi kita coba Google, kita coba supaya kita boleh tahu, ya supaya kita boleh tahu saja, tidak perlu cuma tangkap raba doang. Tahu ini. Google pertama theory, pertama distance. jarak dari Menggano Kumatoling itu kita di Google sekitaran 70 kilo. Kita lebih berat tuh yang skiing. Yep. Yosh. Anjing. Jadi itu salah satu informasi kedua. Oh yuk kita udah cari DP jalan karena kita nggak tahu mau lewat mana, jadi kita cari DP jalan, dia bagaimana DP jalan. Oke, ternyata DP jalan bagus saja, nggak berlubang sekali, nggak kecil sekali, nggak masuk tang. Jadi gas. Terus juga di perjalanan you'll see things yang mungkin akan make you think. Sama dengan waktu kita masih ingat sampai sekarang, kita tidak tahu precisely why I remember this random image. So when I was driving, I have no idea, I forgot if it's my first or second or third time, no idea. But I was driving and I saw a goat. Little, what's little goat? Apa bahasa Indonesia, kambing kecil. Ini kan kalau kucing, cat, pussy, kitten. What the hell did I just say? Kitten. Yes, cat is kitten. And mouse is mice and things like that. But the goat, small goat, little goat, and got me thinking something. I don't want to say it out so the internet could know what was my thought about that. It just got me think, and somehow it sticks until now. And it's maybe a year. That's random. That's what I meant when I was saying, oh, you're gonna see things. That's what I meant, basically. Blowing my face, serasa mau tidur, feeling like I would love to take a nap. Angin sepoi-sepoi ini buat nyaman sekali. What if I sleep for a while? That'd be a good idea. No? Of course not. To whom am I talking? Yo, not gonna lie, kinda sleepy. Great view. Sleepy, but great view. It's not raining, which is good. Hopefully later on, when I'm going home, it won't be raining. Just like this, not raining. Wonderful. But I was hoping for a little bit of a sunshine, you know. Escanor, Ra, you know. Come on, sunshine. But sadly, kita punya keinginan tapi keadaan punya kenyataan. I can see some sunlight over there, but here we don't get sunlight. It's too cloudy. It's too much cloud. Kalau kita mau sempat terpikir tadi kalau kita mau kalau kita mau mulai recording myself at the car, I think it's a good investation to buy phone holder. But kita sebenarnya tadi semua singgah di Tomohon yang phone holder di DIY, tapi pikir kalau cuma ini kan tidak sering kita motoling. Kalaupun di rumah kita mau kemana-mana enggak terlalu like I said earlier, I don't go out often, so it made me rethink about buying a phone holder. Kesampingkan dari uang yang terbatas, so it got me thinking. And I decided it's not really important right now, karena kurangnya aktivitas kita keluar pakai auto lama, jadi decided not to buy it. Ya, dan turun gunungnya habis sampai di sini. Aduh, maunya sih turun gunung terus, tapi cuma just hitting the brakes, just menyesuaikan in English. Menyesuaikan, jadi enaknya turun gunung sambil bawa auto sambil turun gunung itu ya cuman rem selain dari lebih kemudahan, cuma basically just hitting the brake. You also saving up your gas, because the gravity is doing the work for you. It's like that. Yeah, and set it and couple of minutes ago. Sekarang kita masuk TV dan kita jalan. Gini. Besok olahraga kaki. Maybe I'm gonna stop posting on TikTok and just post at YouTube, because TikTok's breaking my heart, man. Yesterday all of my videos were removed. Damn, I posted like 4 or 5, I forgot. And one video TikTok didn't remove, but I posted 5 videos 4 of them got removed. I mean, like, come on, man, you're breaking my heart. I work hard for those. Yeah, I put my blood, sweat, and tears there. Ini lagu apa? Nah. Not settling for any song right now. Oh my God. Songs not bad though, but kita saja yang not in the mood about hearing any songs right now. You gonna make me way, or should I find my own way? Yep, not now. Alright. Dude's going quite fast though. Maybe orang nggak perlu cari lewat, tapi cuma kasih jarak yang optimal supaya orang berdansa. Looks fun, seems fun, but then you get to know the people and how just kidding, I don't want to talking stupid, talking funny about people no more. So dia bapla, okay, kita lewat ya. Right. I am trying not to talk funny about people since then, but since I have no idea when's the exact date I stated I'll try not to, talking funny about people anymore. But I do know I decided not to do that so often, or if it's possible to stop. And yeah, so basically Jalan di Amurang, this road in Amurang is really a beauty to watch. Ya, kesampingan ini bendera-bendera sialan ini, partai-partai sialan ini jalan yang indah untuk dilihat. Karena kan dia the width of the road, penengah yang bagus. Oh, keren. Hold up. Oh, grandma. Oh, orang lain. Kalau di Amerika maybe tuh orang mau, oh, you misgender me, how I'm offended, and then this and that and this and that. Stupid ass host. Ya, bersyukur di sini enggak begitu. Mudah-mudahan enggak begitu. Nah, di pemerintah sialan enggak mau legalkan LGBTQ ABC, LGBTQOCDOADHD QRSTWFYZAZ BC something Beijing Swangsing Aikido, hopefully yes, because if the government says it's legal to, for the LGBTQs, here will be more pain in the ass. Know what I'm saying? You get the joke. Alright. Okay. Entah kenapa dorang buat jalan di Amurang ini bagus sekali, enak sekali dilihat, enak sekali dilalui. Begitu lebar, bagus, cukup rapi. Ada sih kalau mau dibandingkan. Kalau dibandingkan jalan di bandara ini cukup rapi. Oke. Gak macet kalau di hari-hari biasa. Kalau hari luar biasa ya macet. Sama dengan Thanksgiving year before, kita mengucapkan rencananya mau ke sini tapi macetnya itu loh. Gitu loh. Oke, semua setengah jam. I am sleepy. I'm like really a little bit sleepy. Very beautiful view. The view is really a beauty. Oh my God, the clouds so beautiful. Hey, yo. Quite a hole. Oh my God, the cloud masterpiece. Okay. Yo, you can pass the road. I give you the road. Come on. Okay, but do a little bit faster next time. Okay, but right. YouTube the view, but sadly I don't want to disrupt my concentration. I'm being fully concentrated right now. I'm locked on the road. I can't let anything distract me. I'm fully concentrated. Oh, kids. Sup, kiddos? Alright. Jalan yang bagus tadi telah habis. Ini jalan Amburang telah selesai. Jalan yang lebar dan bagus tadi sudah habis. Makes me sad. Ada DIY. Now is the normal road. You know? Orang panas juga. Quite hot in here. You know? What type of leg exercise should I do tomorrow? If it's weightlifting, if it's hypertrophy, or is it gonna be plyos? Because if I remember correctly, Saturday last week, I did both. So now I'm confused. Should I aim for the muscle growth or the spring growth? I want to jump higher, but I also want the health. But I also don't want any imbalanced muscle. If I do both, ya mau gimana, tapi mungkin besok saja yang lihat sikon besok, how I'm feeling, if I'm feeling great, if I'm feeling, if I'm feeling cool, I'm gonna do both. If I'm feeling quite tired, just gonna do the plyos. Alright, seems fair? Seems cool? Yeah. Coins. Nanda Condominium. Right. It is already an hour and a half, past an hour and a half, so I wanna, I'm out of things to say. Maybe in the next video I'm gonna say some things, but right now I am blank. Not blank, I think I already said everything that I wanted to say. I didn't make a master plan about what to say, so maybe that's my mea culpa, my fault, and gonna talk. Okay, we're gonna, next video hopefully I gotta have more things that I think is good, consumable, and just helpful for me and for the listeners, if there's any. And also, oh god, and yeah. We gonna see you. And I'm gonna see you again, later on. See you tomorrow. Yeah, have a good day, mate. After this turn, okay. And paka. Yo. Hold.